Halal business finance, Shariah Complaint Business Finance. Is that something which is available to businesses in the UK today? Shariah Finance Market is very happy to announce a product which was previously not available in the UK to businesses. Now, businesses have access to Shariah compliant business finance to grow their business to the next level. Why would a business need finance to grow? That's a question that you may be asking yourself. But of course, as a business owner, you already know that getting finance or getting debt within your business is what you need to grow to the next level. Why would a business need that? For example, maybe you've acquired a new client and that client is a very large client. They've placed an order for your product. You don't have enough stock or enough raw materials to produce the product for them and fulfill that order. So applying for a business loan may be the way for you to buy the raw materials to produce that product and service that client. That's just one of the reasons of why a business may need business finance. Another reason may be where you're in your organic stage of growth for your business and you need to hire new employees to ensure that your business can grow to the next level. You currently don't have the cash flows to pay the wages for maybe the first month, 2 months, 3 months of the new employees. So what you do is that you go to a finance provider and you apply for a funding to hire new staff before they can start bringing actual revenue into your business, and your business then grows to the next level by adding staff. Remember, businesses always grow when you add good staff to your business. So recruiting is really important for as a business, as you know, as a business owner. So how does this work? How is it Shariah compliant? Shariah compliant business finance is currently provided through a structure called Murabaha. Without getting too technical, it basically means cost plus profit. So for argument's sake, let's say you're going to purchase the raw materials. Then the financer would give you the financing by purchasing an asset and giving you the finance plus profit. So for example, if an asset costs £50,000 to purchase, they will finance it, they will purchase it, and they will sell it to you for £60,000. So that's how the financer has made money. They've made money by buying the product. They haven't actually made any money by providing the finance. What they've done is that they've made money by buying the product and selling it to you at a profit. That's really important because, of course, if they made money by providing finance, that would be interest. The other thing about Murabaha is the cost is fixed. So in this example, we gave £50,000 for the cost, plus £10,000, which is the profit. You know that in total, you'll only ever be paying back £60,000 and not a penny more. So this is a really good way for a business owner to plan what they'll be spending on their financing needs. Now, Shariah Finance Market can provide two types of products for you. One is an unsecured product and the other one is a secured product. So an unsecured product which is available to businesses today is a £50,000 to £200,000 funding which is available. So that's £50,000 to £200,000 on an unsecured product which is available for businesses. On a secured basis, and that means, secured basically means if you have an asset which backs the finance. So the finance is being provided and you've got an asset. So plant and machinery is a really good example. If you've got a business which needs a new new machinery to operate the business, let's say it's an industrial printer, for example, then that asset is backing the finance, and that's secured against that printer, that industrial printer that you've brought, for example. And that finance, secure finance, is available from £100,000 all the way up to £500,000. So secured finance is available from £100,000 to £500,000. In essence, Shariah Finance Market can provide from £50,000 all the way up to £500,000 through our partners to you. So it's really important if you want to go for some business finance that you think about it really carefully. Do I need this debt to grow to the next level? And if you do, click the link in the description and book a call with us and we can discuss your financing needs. So how does the financer make profit? So of course they make profit in the way we've already given the example where you need £50,000 and they buy that product for you, or an asset is purchased and it's sold to you for £60,000. That £10,000 is profit, and that is one of the ways in which the financer makes a profit. The other way is on drawdown. So it's really important. This is really quite important to understand. If you need £100,000 for argument's sake, if you need £100,000 to for your funding needs, then instead of applying for £100,000, you should apply for £110,000, because when you draw down that money, then a fee is charged by the financer. A fee is charged by the financer. It could be anything from £4,000 up to £8,000, depending on the particular situation. It's normally around about 5%. So in this case, it would be around about £5,500 approximately, to get the fees out of that funding. So if you're going to apply, if you know you need £100,000 to grow, you should apply for £110,000, because that fee is going to be deducted from your drawdown amount. So it's really important that you take that into consideration. Now, what are the limits, or what are the conditions of you applying for this finance? Number one, you must have a limited company registered in the UK. A limited company registered in the UK. Number two, you must have been trading for 2 years with 2 years filed accounts. So you must have 2 years of filed accounts. Number three, you should be profitable. So you should have made a profit in the last 2 years, or at least in the last year, and a significant profit if it's only for 1 year. So you can show that your business has a track record of profitability and it's in its growth stage. And the last thing is that you shouldn't already have much debt in the business at all. Ideally, no debt at all. But if you have some business debt in your business at the moment, then we can look at that as an individual case, and we could possibly also provide you something in way of funding. So Shariah Finance Market is really, really happy to provide this product. If you're a business owner, remember, limited companies only in the UK. Click the link in the description, book a call with us, and we'll be more than happy to discuss your needs to go for either an unsecured or a secured business loan to take your business to the next level.